So I'm trying to put the refill for this wiper blade, which is from the Buick Verano. So let me show you what is after I take out the cap. So you can see, so this is after I take out the cap. Now you can freely remove this one. So, and this is the one which is original. Let me show you how I took it out. I don't find any tricky. So all I do is like this. Okay, see, that's how I took it out. So after you took it out, now you can try to take this part out by moving out a little bit. Now you have this whole thing out. Now you can try to remove this. Okay, thank you.